Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Hi. So guys, unfortunately, the group CNCO went from 5 to now 4, and this is basically a recap to their concert performance show that they did in Texas. I can't wait for them to come because I think they're coming here in my side to Tampa. So I'm gonna buy my ticket to Tampa, Florida. If anyone lives here in Florida who can make it with me, I will buy you a ticket to be my +1. Don't be a murderer or a killer because I do come prepared to defend myself. But let's watch this recap to see what it is. Oh, my camera wasn't on.
We here.
Ay, Señor Jesús, CNCO, you know how we do.
Oh, they're going from down a tour bus from city to city. Oh, okay. Oh, he actually has a CNCO. Okay.
Y es que los celos son fuertes y eres intensa, te tienes que calmar. Y baby, respira. Y te dijeron que me tiran.
Because I know the theater, I believe it's a performance center, event center that they're gonna have in Tampa. I know they have seats because I can't be doing this standing stuff. I don't got time for that. Don't got time. Don't. CNCO? Oh, I remember that's the one of the clip that posts on their IG page.
We hella nervous, but we still gonna kill it though.
Yo estaba pendiente el control, echándole la culpa a las copas, viendo salir el sol. Por favor, dale, no te pido nada. Sé que no lo olvidarás. Yo quiero amanecer contigo. Quédate conmigo.
Drinking water.
Me creí que se podía hacer todavía y me guayé. Y ahora estoy bien.
Secret location. They can't disclose. That's perfect. Don't disclose Kate the location. Oh, this must be something that they did after their show. So that was a recap to the group CNCO for their Texas recap. Hopefully YouTube won't block this video. Please don't block. Please don't block. Please don't block. So I can't, like I said, I can't wait to go to the performance that they're gonna be having here in Tampa, Florida. I will be there. Maybe I should do a vlog of my time there. So I want to say thanks to everyone who gave me this recommendation to rate this group. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.